Hi everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. You're watching Indian Cooking with Suganti. I'm going to prepare biryani for you, chicken biryani. Biryani is a very flavorful and delicious rice dish. Please click the subscribe button and the bell button so you will be notified whenever I post new videos. Let's start the cooking. Marinate the chicken with a little bit of yogurt. And then I'm going to wash the rice. The rice is washed and soaked. And next thing I'm going to do is I have the milk. I warmed it a little bit. I'm going to add the saffron. Just a pinch of saffron would do. This much saffron in the milk, and it's going to turn yellowish in color. Just stir it a little bit and let it soak and leave it there until we are ready to use this. Okay, and next I'm going to grind, and I'm going to put the garlic and ginger. I'm going to peel it. I'm going to chop it and put about this much. To 1/3 of a big onion. So some tomatoes, cilantro. I washed it. Mint leaves. Okay, and now I'm going to add the dry spices. Cloves. I'm going to add cloves, about 10-12 of those. 10-12 cardamoms. Nutmeg's skin, just about 2 small pieces. That has a very strong taste to it, so don't add too much. About half a teaspoon of black pepper and cinnamon sticks. Break it. Anise seeds. I'm going to use the broken pieces for grinding. Okay, let's grind that and then start the cooking. So the masala is ground. The smell, I wish you could smell it. It's so aromatic. I already started to smell the biryani. 2 tablespoons of ghee. Next add 6 to 7 tablespoons of oil. So the black pieces you see, those are curry leaves. The curry leaves are from the ghee. When we prepare the ghee by boiling the butter, we add some curry leaves to the butter for flavor. Should be warm enough. Cinnamon sticks, a star anise, nutmeg membranes, some bay leaves, cardamoms and cloves. I'm going to add the onion. Fry the onion for about 5 minutes until it turns transparent, and add about 3/4 teaspoon of salt. Next I'm going to add the tomato pieces. This is 2 tomatoes. I'm going to cover it so it will speed up the cooking process. Let's check. If you're able to mash the tomato with the back of your spoon nicely, that's what you want. So next you can add the ginger and garlic paste. Fry the masala real well so the raw smell of all the garlic and all the herbs that we added, it's all gone. Let's cook it for about 5 to 6 minutes. Nice. Add the chicken now. You can check the spiciness of the gravy and also the salt. If you need salt, you add some salt. And if you need more chili spice, you can add some chili powder. Just going to taste this. I think we need a little bit more salt, because when you add rice, you need more salt. About 1 teaspoon salt. You can later, one more time, you can check the salt after you put the rice. and then if you need, you can add some more. It's not spicy enough. Now I'm going to add some chili powder and some green chilies. I'm going to add some green chilies. So what I did, I just put a cut, and I'm going to add some chili powder. Put 1 teaspoon chili powder. I just limit the green chilies when I grind. If I need more spice, I always add some red chili powder. The gravy has become a little watery because the chicken has let out some juice. I'm going to cook it uncovered. So let the liquid evaporate. 1.5 teaspoon of biryani masala. Now you can get it from any Indian store. Please be careful. These masalas might have some chili powder and salt also. Taste it a little bit. If it has some chili and salt, and you reduce the chili and salt in your biryani. Fry it for about a minute or 2 and then add water to cook the rice. For 2 cups of rice, you have to add 4 cups of water. And while measuring the water, make sure to use the same cup you use to measure the rice. But when you make the biryani, reduce the amount of water by the amount of gravy that you have in the pan. Also reduce the water by the amount of cashew and saffron milk. Approximating the gravy to be 1/2 cup and the milk 1/2 cup, I will add 3 cups of water. Mix it really well. Salt is perfect. Spice also perfect. So I'm going to put the lid. I'm going to let the water boil. And then I will add the rice. Okay. Starting to boil. I'm going to add lemon juice. About 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. While waiting for the gravy to boil, I'm going to grind the cashew nuts, add to the rice. Okay, the biryani water is boiling. The soaked rice, I'm going to add that. I'm going to add the cashew juice in this. When the rice is 3/4 cooked, we can add the saffron milk. See how the color has changed? It's now yellow in color. I'm going to put the lid. I'm going to turn the heat to medium low. Let's see. Just make sure it doesn't burn in the bottom. Stir it a little bit. And turn the heat to real low. And I'm going to add the cilantro leaves and the mint leaves. Cover it and cook it in low heat until the rice is cooked. Maybe about 7-8 minutes more or 10 minutes. Yeah, let's check. Looks good. So now I'm going to add the saffron milk. Put the lid back and cook it in low heat. The rice has to cook a little bit longer. Keep it in low. I'm going to cook it for another 5-6 minutes. So since the time you put the rice, it takes about 15 to 20 minutes for the rice to get cooked. Let's see. Looks perfect. It's done. Hot chicken biryani is ready. I hope you enjoyed the show today. Take care and thank you for watching.